Hello there. Since you guys voted yes on the voting post I made some time ago, I already made the 6 free sounds anyone can use. 4 are not so interesting, and 2 of them are peak. And I know you guys don't know how to make sounds or doesn't know how to start. So here it is. Okay, it's time to stop this blah 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 and hear these sounds I made for Numberblocks bands. Here we go. Thank you for watching the video, and I am still doing the 3 videos, and if waiting too long to get a new video is suffering, imagine 3 at once. Anyways, I hope this video get viral to not get useless. I think my channel is too boring now, and I think I am a terrible person cause I'm too lazy for now. Goodbye.